Let's get our science notebooks out of our cubbies now. Okay, open to your table of contents, please, and write down effect of plants on erosion. Your focus question today is, how do plants affect stormwater runoff? Top of your other page, where you have some space, can you make a prediction? And I want you to finish that sentence. I think plants will. It's helpful that they've already had lesson 2, which is very similar, so we didn't need to spend a lot of time on the procedural part. What variables do you think we would need to keep the same about our investigation today? So last time we had to measure and make sure that it was 20 centimeters long and 5 centimeters high. We're going to do that same thing today. Today we've got these books and we're going to slope our hill the same way. What will we measure to help us know if plants are having an effect on stormwater runoff? Yeah, we're going to measure the amount of soil that gets moved in our containers. The grass was planted almost 2 weeks ago. I streamlined how they gather their materials. I am splitting the class into 2 groups. Half of the class will be testing bare soil, and half of the class will be testing the effect of vegetation on the amount of runoff. Can I help you with your slope?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just going to back that up a bit so that then you can have it just like that.
It's full. There it is. Stop. Small city, like a town. Get over there in that corner. Take that class. Oh, there he goes.
Hang back up on the table and sketch your results in your notebooks.
Got it.
A lot of us have completed sketching our results, and the next part you need to do is take your measurement of how much soil was moved. So to do that, you're going to scoop your soil that moved past the 20 centimeter mark and put it back into your water container. You're also going to dump the contents from your bucket into here as well. It's the level of your soil that's at the bottom that's settled out. Okay? That's what you're going to record on your data table.
There wasn't much runoff because the plants held dirt together. Saw that in the grass ones, they had less runoff and more water and less soil. And I noticed on ours that we had a lot of like dirt and mud in our runoff, and so it looked like really dark because the roots from the plants they help block the soil from moving out of the pond.
I think the kids were definitely surprised by the difference between how much soil was collected with no plants versus plants. Group 1. Group 1, what was your volume of soil that was moved, the amount of soil moved? I'll know more what they got out of it in the next part of the lesson when we really talk about the data that was collected and see what they're thinking about that.